Welcome to Bike Rush, where we break down the most exciting motorcycles shaping the future of riding. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Honda CRF 750L, a middleweight adventure machine built to balance long-distance comfort with true off-road capability. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L slots perfectly between lightweight dual sports and heavyweight adventure bikes. Designed for riders who want versatility without excess bulk, it blends Honda's proven reliability with modern adventure tech, making it equally at home on highways, gravel roads, and rugged trails. Engine and performance. Powering the CRF 750L is a refined parallel twin engine tuned for strong low and mid-range torque. This setup delivers smooth, predictable acceleration for technical off-road riding while maintaining relaxed cruising at highway speeds. The engine emphasizes durability, fuel efficiency, and consistent performance across varied terrain. The CRF 750L features a lightweight steel frame engineered for stability and agility. Long travel suspension at both ends absorbs rough surfaces with confidence, offering precise feedback on trails and a planted feel on paved roads. The balance between stiffness and flexibility enhances rider control in demanding conditions. Honda equips the 2026 CRF 750L with a modern electronic suite, including multiple riding modes, switchable traction control, and advanced ABS with off-road settings. These systems are designed to assist rather than dominate, allowing riders to tailor the bike's behavior to their skill level and riding environment. Styling on the CRF 750L is unmistakably inspired by Honda's rally heritage. A slim body profile, upright riding position, and wide handlebars ensure comfort during long rides while allowing easy weight transfer when standing on the pegs. The seat height and ergonomics strike a balance between accessibility and off-road readiness. With a generous fuel tank, wind protection, and integrated mounting points for luggage, the CRF 750L is built for adventure touring. Whether commuting daily or exploring remote routes, it offers the practicality riders expect from a modern adventure motorcycle. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L stands out as a well-rounded adventure bike that doesn't compromise its off-road roots. It's designed for riders who want one motorcycle to do it all, reliably, comfortably, and confidently. For those seeking a capable middleweight adventure machine, the CRF 750L is a compelling choice. Stay tuned to Bike Rush for more in-depth looks at the latest motorcycles redefining the ride.